Can you say cheese? Smile at the camera, say cheese. Are you going to sing your car song? Where are you going? Is that all of your song? Oh, nice cheese. Can you say kitty? And can you say doggy? What sound does a doggy make? What does a doggy make? Does a doggy say ruff? Ruff, ruff. And where can you say tummy? Where's your blub?
Blub.
Blub, where's your blub? There's your blub.
Blub.
Blub. And where's your head? There's your head. How about eyes? Eyes. Can you say eyes? Can you say it? You say nose. Where's your nose? You say nose. Where's your nose? Can you say, where's your new balls? Where's your new balls from Godmother Lisa? You show your new toy from Godmother Lisa? Yeah, where's your balls? The balls. Oh. Is that fun? Is that fun? Yay! Alright, can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Bye! Yeah, you want to see it, don't you? Say bye-bye! I know you're trying to get to the back.
Bye.